Today, we're diving into the exciting world of baking with our 10-minute kids cooking challenge. Get ready to whip up some delicious 10-ingredient cupcakes that are not only fun to make, but also super tasty. First, we'll gather our ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, vanilla extract, milk, and a pinch of salt. Now, let's mix it all together. Start by creaming the butter and sugar until it's fluffy, then add the eggs one at a time. Don't forget to stir in the vanilla. Next, we'll combine our dry ingredients and alternate adding them with the milk. Once our batter is smooth, it's time to fill our cupcake liners. Remember, don't overfill them. While they bake, we can prepare our taste test. After they cool, we'll frost them with our favorite icing and maybe even add some sprinkles for that extra fun touch. Finally, we'll gather around for the ultimate taste test. Who will create the best cupcake? Let's find out!